everything old is new again, and these jelly cakes are happening all around me. I know you've seen them, I'm not sure how you feel about them, but I have to say, I really like them. Not only are they easy to make with only 2 ingredients and your favorite fruits, they're fat-free, they're light, they're really refreshing for whenever you are just craving something fruity. I can't believe how much I actually liked these. I am using coconut water, but some people like to use fruit juice, so it's really your option what liquid you want to use as your base. Add some granulated sugar, some agar powder, and then bring it up to a boil. Each half-sphere mold gets a couple of tablespoons of your favorite fruits, and I'm using strawberries, orange segments, some blackberries, and even added some mint leaves to mine. And the addition of the mint to these little jelly cakes really made a nice taste, so you should definitely try that for sure. I've also added some raspberries and blackberries, and then just go ahead and pour in that coconut water agar mixture. I found it helpful to use a skewer to move the fruits around so that they would sort of settle where I wanted them, since that liquid will jumble everything up. And any remaining liquid that you have can just be reboiled again and used for more jelly cakes once your other ones are set. And they do set really quickly in the refrigerator, like less than an hour. So that's it. Comment below. Let me know. Is this something that you were also afraid to make but then realized they're pretty darn good? Or if you've not made them, do you think that you'll give it a go? Vegan jelly cakes are so easy and really, really pretty, so I hope that you'll give it a try. Head over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab the recipe, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.